In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code in Google Sheets. So the first thing that you'll need to do is just go and open your preferred browser and type Google Sheet, then go to the first link. Make sure you're logged in into your Google account so you'll be right away entered. For me, I'm just going here and creating a blank sheet. Now we would want to create our QR code. So to create a QR code, we will need to go here to extensions at the top. Once you go and click on this extensions, I can go here and click on add-ons, then click on get an add-ons. Here, I'm just going to look for an app that can generate QR code. So I'm just going to type here QR code. Hit the enter button. As you can see, you'll find a lot of apps that can provide you with some QR codes. So example, this is a QR code generator. I'm just going to use this app. So here, I'm just going to click on install. And as you can see, I'm going to choose my account, continue, allow everything. And here, an example, I'll be able to use this application to generate my QR code right away. So as you can see, QR code generator has been installed. Where to find the QR code in extensions as well. So yeah, I'm done. Now, as an example, I can just go back to extensions here, add-ons, and manage add-ons as an example. Of course, I'll be able to find all the add-ons that I have. To use this, I can go to this QR generator, click on open, and as you can see, I'll find it here on the right. Here, I'll be able to generate the QR code however I want. You can start choosing, as example, the size of it. Do you want it to be tiny? Do you want it to be small, medium? It's totally up to you. Of course, you want it. Do you want it to save as a document or draw borders, save as PNG? It's totally up to you to choose whatever you want. You can even choose the template of it if you want to, and even adjust some additional settings if you want to. So here, once we do all the things that we want, we can simply just go and click on generate. And as you can see, they will have to validate the input data. But as you can see, for me, I have no data in this value or in this cell. So let's add something to this first. So let me just go and add a simple URL. So HTTPS, two dots, two slashes as an example, www. I'm just going to add youtube.com. And as you can see, now we have this. Now we can select this cell again, and all I need to do here is just go and click on generate. Now, once I do so, I'll have to wait a little bit, as you can see, and it will basically generate my QR code right away. So as you can see, now since I choose just save as documents, I can go and open a document right here, and it will be opened right here. Of course, I can go and copy this if I want to and paste it wherever I want. But of course, to paste this, I'll need to insert this as an image because I save it as a document. I can even, as an example, open it in a folder where I will be able to find it on my drive. So as an example in here, as we said, I'll be able now to add it. Of course, to add this as a picture here, I'll have to save it as PNG and then add it as a picture. But now it's just like a simple document. So let me just go here and save it as a PNG as well. Of course, you can go and generate again. You'll find this in Google Drive. Then you'll be able to insert your image as example right here from your Google Drive, and you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.